Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I appreciate for your reaching out to this my channel. Kindly remember to subscribe to get in touch with us with our program for the ongoing training on Microsoft Excel. So our today's agenda, my name is Emmanuel Madanga and I'm an expert in Microsoft Excel. So today's agenda, I'll be showing us how we can do sorting in Microsoft Excel, whereby we are going to start by looking at one column sorting. Then we are going to proceed to the multiple column sorting, and then we are going to have custom order sorting. Then we will end our today's video by looking at sorting by color. So in the YouTube video that I posted on Microsoft Excel Basics Must Know. So the Microsoft Excel Basics that I posted just touched on how to do sorting using one column. But remember, in sorting we have a lot of things that we must cover and we must discuss. So like in this case here, we must explore more on how to carry out the very real multiple or different kinds of sorting, because you'll come to realize that our data that we work on is not just based on one column sorting, or rather not multiple sorting, or we may also need some aspect of custom order sorting and even color sorting in most of the cases. So here I am going to show you how we can go about this in this video. So let me go to my dataset, the Microsoft Excel dataset that I have here for our today's training. So I recommend that we better get in touch with this or what we want to look at. Alright, as a minute I set this so that we can be able to see it in a better way. Right. Let me just resize it the size that I want us to discuss so that we may see it in a better way. Right. Yeah, so I think there is much better. There is very much better. So in this video we are going to discuss about the aspects that I've outlined in our agendas. So I will start by looking at, this is our data that we are going to explore all through this program. So we want to start by looking at simple sorting, that is. So in simple sorting we just have some things that we want to look at. So in simple sorting we are going basically to start by, for example, when I want, sorting simply means that arranging your particular data in a way that you may want it to be. So in sorting we usually sort our data based on either one column or multiple columns, and also we can sort based on either ascending or descending order. In some aspect we proceed and sort based on the custom order that we want. That one we're also going to discuss about that. And then also sorting based on color. Just want to arrange your data based on some color format. So in this, the first procedure that you'll do, you have to click anywhere in your data for you to sort one column. You just click anywhere in your data, then you go to the data tab. Go to the data tab in Microsoft Excel. So under sort and filter group, you just click. For example, when I want to sort this data based on uh, from A to Z. For example, my last name, I want to sort this data based on the last name is the column that I prefer to sort, maybe in this case. And I want to arrange this data to follow alphabetic order. As you can see, it's already in the alphabetic order. So maybe I want to sort, when you want to sort from ascending, following an ascending order, you just click on A to Z. Or if you want to arrange your data based on the descending order, you arrange from Z to A. So for example, here I will click Z to A because my data is already arranged in ascending order, so I want to rearrange that. So you just click Z to A, and there you go. Everything has changed and is in has been arranged based on the last name, which is following a descending order from Z to A. So that is the first aspect. If you want to arrange your data in ascending order, you just click A to Z. Then your data will again be rearranged to follow that order. Okay, so that has been well noted. We can now proceed to the multiple columns. So multiple columns. So let's go to the data that we are going to work on. That is on multiple column based. So when you want to do this, you have to go to the data tab in the sort and filter group. Then you have to click sort. In this case, so you just go to the data tab. Then in the sort and filter group here, you just click sort. You don't use now the one column aspect. So you just click sort. Then you will see a sort dialog box will appear. A sort dialog box is going to appear as we have seen there. So you'll have, so in this case, maybe I want to filter my data based on the last name and the cells that we have made. Maybe I'm working in, I'm having some clients, or I have some of my clients serving my customers, and I want to know the prices that they are achieving. So maybe I also arrange them based on their last name, and again I need also to know the arrangement of the cells, maybe in an ascending order. So I will start by in the sort by. So I just click last name. So once I click last name, this one, the order is A to Z. So that is what maybe I want in this case. Or I may also rearrange and arrange it maybe Z to A. I have options here to select. So I'm sorting in order from Z to A because it's already in a data ascending order, the last name. So cell values here, you also have options, but now I'm doing it based on the cell value and not even the cell color. So from there, once you have done that, you have now to click on the add level. Just click on add level. So when you click on add level, you'll be provided an option then by. So once you sort based on the last name, you now proceed then by. So then by here you select the cells. This is what now we call the multiple column sorting. Then after cells, then you click on maybe smallest to the largest as it is. So you see this one are cells because they are values, so it recognizes that. So maybe I want to arrange from largest to the smallest. I want to know which of my employees are making the lowest cells, or their arrangement based on cells and their alphabetic order, that is. So once I have that, I just click OK and I will be done. Suppose I have another, I want also to categorize based on the country. I'll just say add level and then by. Then by now I'll say country. Maybe I want to do that based on the country, and the countries maybe I want to follow an alphabetic order as it is. Just as simple as that. Then I click OK. So from there now my data will be arranged based on the preference. First of all, it will arrange my data from in the descending order, that is from Z to A. That is it. Then based on the highest values, the largest values. So it will arrange William has the highest value. The first William, last name, the last name Williams is having 19, is the one at the top. The Smith from W is S, so Smith is having 18 as the highest. Jones is having that as the highest. So that is how it arranges. And then we are also following some particular order here, the alphabetic order. So that is how we carry out multiple columns sorting. So let's go to the custom order sorting. So for example, you can see that in the previous data we have not we were not having a column known as priority. So for example, in this case, I want to filter, to sort my data based on priority. So you can use Excel to sort data in a custom order. So for example, in this case, so you'd like to set based on the priority, maybe high, normal, then low. They be arranged in that order. So first of all, what you do, you have to click in any cell inside the data set. Then from there, in the data tab, in the sort and filter group, you just click sort. So here, click anywhere, just click sort under data tab, sort and filter group. So just click sort. So once you have done that, then now the sort dialog box has appeared. So we have to select priority from the sort by drop down list. So in this case, we are going to select priority from the sort by here. So you just select priority, then maybe in this case now we have said we want to arrange from high, normal, then low. So unlike in the previous example where I have looked at just ascending or descending, or A to Z or Z to A, in this aspect you can be able to state which order do you want your data to follow. So I have just clicked that and now make a new entry, new list here. So I want high, comma, I want normal, followed by normal, comma, then let it be followed by low. Yes, just like that. So my data will be sorted based on normal, start with high, normal, then low. So you click OK, the first one, then you click the following, you also click OK. So you see my data is now filtered based on, it's sorted based on high, normal, and low. So that is how we do that in Microsoft Excel. Let us also cover the last aspect. In this category, the last aspect is sort by color. Let's see how sort by color works. So this video is all about sorting. Once you get this well, then it will be well noted. So in the sort by color aspect, what we are going to look at is sorting our data following some particular color. So you just need to you need to show that your data, you have arranged it following some particular color. So for example, in this case, this color is based on the quarters. So for example, now I want all my data first to start by the first quarter, second quarter, first quarter, followed by the color that I will decide. Maybe green is the fourth quarter, yellow is for the second quarter. So the way I want to arrange my data, maybe I want to arrange it based on the color so that I can get all quarters together. So what I have to do is to click anywhere inside my cell, Microsoft Excel. Then from there I can now go to the data tab and click sort. So in this aspect, after doing that, so sort by the last name or any other column. You can use any other column because the color is throughout. So you just click on sort by last name. Let's use that. And you can also sort using any other, maybe the cell color or the font color or so on. So in this case, I am using the cell color. So you see the option for order by has come following a certain cell color. So in this case, it is going to start with green because it's the one at the top. So maybe I can change that. I wanted to maybe start with maybe the first quarter is this color, like that. Then now I just click copy level. Then here I change the color to the second quarter. Maybe second quarter is having which color? Yellow. So I just click that. Then I again copy. Then select my followed by. So then by it will now follow with this one, the third quarter. Then again I do the last one where it will now be able to do it based on the green color. And then once I have done that, I just click OK and everything will be in order. So follow for more, subscribe to my channel, follow for more videos on how to work with Microsoft Excel, and this will be very much okay. Thank you so much for your patience during this program approach. Thank you so much.